Ayan.
Shout out sa inyo mga salamat.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ayan siyang hikaw at saka salamin.
Happy birthday, Ate! Wishing you on your birthday. Sana happy lang. And good health. And what else? And enjoy your birthdays. And we love you. Ikaw sa
Hey,
happy birthday, Mamila. Sige.
happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Hey, you buy some foods and toys.
Thank you
Thank you
very much.
very much.
And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
No, sige lang.
I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yummy Marie. Happy birthday, Sisi, Marites, my beautiful friend, na Yummy and Sixy and Juicy. Wishing you all the best. Stay beautiful and healthy. God bless. Yun lang. Once again, happy birthday. I love you.
My friend, happy birthday. I love you. Thank you sa pag-invite ko sa birthday mo. At isa ko sa mga na-invite mo. Salamat. Mabuhay kang gusto mo. Love you. Sana wag kang magbago. Stay sweet at masayahin. Basta dito lang ako. It's birthday mo. Joke. Love you.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana ibigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan at good health, and then sana'y makamit mo ang iyong mga mithiin sa iyong buhay. Once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Marie. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya tayo sa Saturday. Hope na pagpalain ka din ni Lord. Salamat kasi nakilala kita. You're so nice. Happy birthday. See you on Saturday.
Happy birthday kay Marites Masong. Hinawaton ta nga tagaan pa kasi Ginoo sa maayong lawas ug daghan pang birthday nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi. Ug tanan nga imong handom sa imong kinabuon ta imong makabuot. Wish nako sa imong birthday karon nga tagaan kasi Ginoo karon og love life. Aron na ka inspiration sa imong kinabuhi.
Hello, Day. Happy birthday. You're the one of a kind friend, and you deserve that you have everything for now. I wish you all the best in life and have a blast in your birthday. Again, happy birthday. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po maligaya ka po sa inyong kaarawan at sana po bigyan po kayo ng malakas na pangatawan sa ating pong may kapal. Again, happy birthday po at tandaan mo po palagi lang kami nandito nakasuporta sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Mami Masong. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life. God bless and keep City always. Sana lagi ka po kayong happy sa araw-araw na dumadaan at lagi po kayo mag-iingat, Mami. Happy birthday po ulit. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday, Mami.
Mas mahalaga ang bisyak dito.
Bye po, Mami. Happy birthday ulit.